Nigeria, Nigeria, Nigeria. Voilà, bientôt on va lever les sauces avec les Wario. Voilà, ça c'est le Nigeria, hein. Ça ce n'est pas Burkina. So, je vais parler anglais. Parce que si tu ne comprends pas anglais, il ne faut pas venir là-bas maintenant, hein, parce que tu ne vas pas comprendre ce que je vais dire. Voilà. Voilà, this is Nigeria. Thank you so much, everybody. This week, now weekly 12, no? This week, to fair, you will raise the bar. Yeah. See? This is Nigeria. Very soon, fire. Pa. Kinet, c'est une bonne société. Si tu fais, il faut faire. Si tu ne fais pas, il faut laisser la route. Et puis nous, on va avancer. Il n'y a rien en face. Voilà. Sinon, tout de suite, je vais enflammer le Nigeria avec l'énergie. J'espère que vous appréciez un peu mes cheveux. Hein? Voilà. Venez, posez-moi des questions, les directs, les downlines, les vie partners, mon leader. Voilà. Merci Koulibaly Maimouna pour ton loving. Voilà. Nous serons en énergie tout de suite. Bientôt je serai en énergie. Ok.
On a beaucoup de choses.
Yes. Yeah, je suis à l'écoute. On est en train de prendre de l'eau. Nami drink this bottled water? No, no milk. I open bottled water here. No. I no touch nothing. Voilà. Thank you. Open up for me. Voilà. Nous, en tout cas, on est en train de limer fort. Voilà. Ça, c'est le game changer que j'ai fracassé avec cette semaine. Voilà. Je crois que tout ira bien, tout ira très bien ici. Ok? C'est bon? Voilà, je dois aller fracasser. Voilà, je dois aller fracasser. Merci. Je dois aller fracasser. Ça, c'est le game changer. Ça va, non? Tu parles anglais maintenant, non?
Yeah, I speak English now.
Very good. Voilà, ça, c'est Nigeria. Voilà, ça, c'est Nigeria. Ici. Ça c'est le Jim Janger Benjamin Gold Star.
Yeah.
Voilà. Are you ready?
Yes.
Ça c'est Nigeria. Hein? This is Sunday night. Never eat prince. Never eat. Ça va? And we'll see you, eh? This is the prince. I'm the king. Ok, c'est bon, c'est bon? Voilà. This is leader activate, Abi?
Yeah. Activate supposed to be there.
The mix?
Yes.
Okay, leader activate, come this side.
Well, they don't miss and read, you know.
Yeah.
Leave them. Okay. If they want to change, it will take time. Are you ready?
Yes.
No, you don't sleep. Are you ready?
Yes.
Then they see you. Are you ready?
Yes.
Are you ready?
Yes.
You they sleep here. You know, eat this morning, or you drink Gary, your belly they turn. Are you ready?
Yes.
Are you ready?
Yes.
0%, 0%. Are you ready?
Yes.
Are you ready?
Yes.
No, you they sleep now. Nigeria good, Kenneth Infinity Nigeria. Thank you so much, Tadios. Are you ready?
Yes.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Are you ready?
Yes.
This is Nigeria, ok? Soma, c'est là en direct un peu, on va passer un peu de formation.
Okay.
Voilà. Sit down, sit down, sit down, sit down. Voilà, merci. Voilà. This is weekly
12.
12. Abi? Fine. So weekly 11. How many sign up? Who takes sign up weekly 11? Who takes sign up weekly 11? You take sign up. Congratulations. Who takes sign up again weekly 11? Congratulations. For your family sign up. Congratulations. 2. Who takes sign up again? Peter! You know, Shelley, you take sign up. You take sign up?
Take side of
Oh, congratulations. Peter, come with me apply. How far? I said, Peter, how many is it? Yes, how many? Now, three now, I mean. Who takes sign up again? Your downline. So, under you.
Yeah, my talent takes up my admission takes up.
You know, we make bonus. You should not activate those people to refer. You see, before I will give you bonus, you supposed to come this week, refer to this week. Felix! Who be Felix applying? You know they, why? Kizito? Why they not there? What you mean this one? I don't mean okay, I don't okay, that is very good. Okay, yeah, no problem. If you go house, okay? Easy to go. Benjamin, if you go house, tell him Monday maybe come collect the laptop.
Okay.
You understand?
Not easy.
If you do 3 sign up, I will give you laptop free. You know,
Acclimate again. Yes. Are you ready?
Monday you come and
Continue
collect
sleeping.
I tell if you do your 3 sign up, you get 20,000 plus your laptop. You know concern your bonus, you know concern your commission. So now the same promise I will give this week before I was.
Hey! Acclimate.
If you do 3 sign up, only you, I will give you 20,000 plus new laptop. This is promise. I know say if you come this week you refer. No. If you like either activate or either stand or stand for,
Or stand
just
100.
do 3, only you get laptop. Plus 20,000. Okay? Well, again, if you come this week or you don't come this week, you don't get naughty. Now, person on the day here like this. You don't get one. If you be like this one don't concern you. You just come like this, you don't get naughty. You refer 2, I will give you 20,000. This is my weekly 12 promise. Understand? Voila. So, this week, congratulations for everybody. Well, you work but you know rich. All the office there, you do 7 sign up. They okay. But where's the new person? Supposed to be here. Okay, one person know what they go to their family, have you? Your sign up, your family sign up. Nuba, Oba, Amaka, Abi. In plenty. Okwegete. Alpha. Okay, no problem. So this week you supposed to raise the bar. Oga Alpha, you the best? You know they happy? Abi? You see? Yeah, this business is very simple. Some people there, you know God. You know God. You know God.
Yes.
God.
Yes, I know.
You know him where? Fine. You know some people know they pray. Two of us, true. But they know that now God they give them life.
Yes.
Two of us, they know they pray. So if they like they know happy, they know they agree with God. Two of us. Now God create them, but they know they agree with God. Abi? So this business now woman be created. They are just 3 VJ Esperance. You understand? Again, now you come start this business, you be woman be. Everybody no go agree to follow you. No be everybody again go agree to do registration inside this business. Some go do registration, then will go back. Some will come, they say I don't like them at all. Let's go now. This is life. You stay here. If you like, see money every day. You give people. Some people no want to see you. Two of us. So no be by force. Person go down. Understand? You just want the business. You like the business, or you don't like them. No problem. Let's go. God, you know why you don't do recession. Maybe if you do recession, it will give you problem. So God do everything. You don't go back. Continue to try. You will get your 2. This week, with this 2, you will see. Tomorrow you will become millionaire. Okay? But how this one, it depends how you will take them. If you believe, you will come. If you don't believe, 0. You understand? Like if I take an example, this guy, Emeka come from, Emeka go Ghana, I come back with $1 here. Name na Friday. Who know Friday? You know Friday? Friday day here, I will kill you. I will pop, everything. I just call him. If I see you inside this will be tomorrow, I will kill you. Now I will kill you now. Now you say you will keep person now. I just call him inside my office. If I see you inside this office tomorrow, you will know which one I will do. Next day you go carry brother, everybody that come here. I tell them if they do more than 5 minutes, police will come catch everybody. You know, pass 1 minute, then go back. You say quack, it don't go. That time, Emeka, you no go, it stand. Today, na stand. This business, the person no go fit stop you. Now you go fit stop yourself. You understand? Because this business na love. This business na help yourself to help mankind. If you want to help person, the person no like na by force. Yeah. Why you want to help person? The person say no. You know that you want to help the person. You know they happy. Like me, I want to give him money 1,000. You say no. Thank you so much. Where's the problem? But if you don't believe that your 1,000 and 1,000, you go first. You know they happy because you don't believe your success inside this business. If this person no come. Why one person inside Nigeria here more than 500 million people? One person will say you know they happy. You make that you don't believe yourself that you will feel the fair truth after this guy. 3 of us, if you know that you will feel the fair, one person no go feel stop you. Now this one they say every day, if all these people say they don't like business, they will go back. Again, with my partners, you go refer full this office. 3 of us, I believe myself, but I know you know will go back. You understand? Because before you will do something, not do this business because I did here. You understand? Not do this business because I did here. Not do this business because Solomon did here. Not do this business because Austin did here. You understand? Do this business because you believe. If you do this business because me I did here, tomorrow if I know there, you know go drown. 3 of us, but I'm a human being. I go feel that. 3 of us. So not do this business because I did here. Don't do this business because you fear your upline or you fear your family. No. Do this business because you believe this business. You believe that you will get your success inside this business. You understand? After your registration, nobody no go stop you. The person no go stop you now. Only you. If you say no, I no go do am, fine. You understand? Because now I tell you that okay, I will disturb you, not looking at again. I know they feel disturb you again. I know if you stop your business again. Because now you get tracking center. You go fit chat with headquarters directly. Malaysia headquarters or Hong Kong, Singapore. If you like, I will give you Dubai number. Those how many times they call you from Dubai or Malaysia?
That was that
2, 3.
That's 2 or 3.
Yeah, 2 or 3. Then when I'm in Malaysia, then call and I say, don't come. You see that number you put inside your tracking center, it will work. One day they will call you to ask you if your product come or not. If they don't ask you, they will call you, say your product don't come, go pick up. That time you go meet me, come meet in my office, I'll come collect your product. Kinet now selling products, no big company say no, it's gather money to share together. No, selling products, you get your percent. If you don't sell product, nothing you know they enter. No big company like NMN come put money after 1 week, come and collect million. Lie. Put your money, work, refer to. If you refer your 2, with these 2 people will get million, you will get million. You understand? So this week, you're supposed to push your limit. You understand? You're not supposed to limit. You know, so, after you don't remove this one, wow, now Sasa will start to come in. No look my own, no, my own before him, nothing, no day. Okay? Boniface, push your limit. You will feed you more than this one. This week, how many sign we do? All your team plus you. 3, 2. Very good. Push your limit. You just come now. Okay? Push your limit. This one is very simple. If you come, please try to understand the business. Now do before and see. You don't go see commission inside your tracking center before you go do. Just refer your two before you go see commission inside your tracking center. Understand? This is your talent, plenty never come office today. Do your downline plenty never come office today. This guy, I don't know his name, like this. Osho. When you did? You get plenty, your upline. You no come. You get some downline with him, they never come again. What happened?
Maybe they with their prospect.
New person.
Yeah.
Who do the sales on this week? Oh. Who do the sales on this week?
Yourself. And Chijoke.
The new person. They know they here.
Yeah.
Why?
Then they with their prospect.
Very good. You're supposed to push your limit this week. Understand? Push your limit. Victor, push your limit. 290. 290. That's small money. Because just start this business with 290. Tomorrow you go feel collect 500,000 a week. This is if you start killing 3 months ago. The outline have here. 500,000 no good money for you 1 week. You understand? Who see your outline associate Kinet Pace? WhatsApp statue. Who see him? Olivier. You don't see him? How many do left? How many right? He do 45. Left.
30,000 right.
30 right. So our commission, if you like, before you get this week commission, now weekly 11 you do this sign up, weekly 11 you do this sign up, okay? So you collect the commission weekly 13. You understand? So now this is 45, this is 30. Before you go know how much you go collect, take this 30, divide and 3. It will be now 10. So you collect 10 commission. Take 10 commission times 360. How much? $3,600. Take this $3,600 times and so the VR mistake. No, this is 10 commission. Can they pay you 5 years plus? 10 commission times 2 to 5. How many? How much? You get phone. So now it will be 2,250, $2,250. Now you take this one now times 360. 365. This is 800,000.
Are you ready?
See, eh?
How much you take company?
If you take like now 290,000, you take to do your session. 290,000 you do your session. 1 day, 1 week like this, you collect 800,000. Is bad or is good? It's very good. So if you call person, you come here with 290. 1 day, 1 week, you collect 800,000. Now help or not be help. Why you want to help person? The person say no. You know they happy. You see why every day they here happy? You don't know. Because from here, if I look you well, everybody had to look them like billionaire. Why? Because before I started business, I know where I did before and where I did today. You understand? Now the same debate, you don't know. You never see. But no worry, you will see. Some will start to pay plenty commission. Some will start to buy some cars like Corolla, Venza, etc. You will see. You are gone. How many million? How many million? Because we have how much? Go Google, you check the price. You if now 1 billion, right? 1 billion. This is your dream. After, let me give you after 5 years work inside Kenneth, 1 billion will be money for you. Just believe. You know, with this business, before they will call you VC, you drop 2 billion with your money. If not naira, 2 billion naira. If not fancy 2 billion fancy before they will call you VC. But you will do 5 months inside this business, you don't get VC name. 5 years inside this business, you don't get VC.
No
You get them. So 2 billion. Whose guy you go buy here? You go pass this money. Now. For your 5-year work, 1 billion. If you like the car, write down. Just believe. I back 3 books today. The first book is hey, bring my 2 books for me. Because every week, if I buy 1 book like this, I finish another. I need to hear. Go. I don't know where they sell this book.
Bookshop.
Voilà. Read this big book where you will change your mouth to get plenty money, network marketing. Some people, they write books there. If you read every day, you will change. You know this generation,
21 century.
Voilà, generation, network marketing. No be hard work. Voilà. This is first book. How much? I say that the power of positive thinking. If you believe something, you will come better positivity. They don't say see first before you believe. Believe before you come. If you think negativity every day, or your life will come negative. If you think positivity every day, inshallah, one day your dream will be okay. You understand? You see inside this office, for example, one person today here, he want to look how he will do to tip me inside my office. How he will do if I come out tomorrow, he will enter, carry money run. One day he will figure the solution to God. 2 of us. But if you go inside this office, you don't think like how you will get your 2. One day you will get your 2. So this is the power of the positive thinking. The second one is what? This is the 7 secret of the leadership success. Leadership is my work. If you don't get leadership, you don't feel come out of office. If you don't get leadership, you don't feel get team. If you don't get leadership, you don't feel come